How to replace the memory module. Before you begin, remove the speaker mesh and display panel. Removal. Push both arms of the memory module outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. The second memory module, if installed, is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the motherboard. At an angle, insert the memory module into its slot on the motherboard. Press down on the memory module until the arms click into place. The second memory module, if installed, is replaced in the same manner.